Hello and welcome to a new episode of your distant learning course. Mr. Bakhri here. Happy learning. Welcome to Unit 7, Entertainment. Entertainment. But what is entertainment? It is amusement, fun, and enjoyment. And it is this. So let's have fun in this unit. Are you ready? Let's go. Our focus today is communication. If you want to follow us on your textbook, then open it to pages 58 and 59. In this lesson, we're going to learn 3 expressions. How to make a suggestion, how to accept it, and how to refuse it. Some keywords before we start. Number 1, what is that? Yes, it's a film poster. And number 2, yes, a puppet show. And number 3, that's nice, it's a costume. And what color is that costume? Is it red? Is it pink? Is it yellow? Yes? Very nice, it's colorful. There are many colors in this costume. And who wears this costume? Yes, it's a clown. Very good. First, listen and read. In dialogue 1, there are 2 people, Najat and Sheila. Listen and read. What are you doing, Sheila? Nothing. I'm just looking at this poster. Well, would you like to go to the sports club? No. Let's go somewhere else. How about going to the cinema? Okay, let's go. Dialogue 2, Hanan and Sarah. Let's go to the puppet show. Where's that? At the youth club. Who's giving the show? Some students from my school. Dialogue 3, Anna and Eric. Oh, I love the clown. I love him too. Look, he's wearing a colorful costume. His eyes and mouth are red. He's looking at us, isn't he? Yes, and he looks funny. Now your turn. Pause the video and go back to dialogues 1, 2, and 3. Listen again and read aloud. Okay? Off you go. Exercise 1. Do this. Listen again to the dialogues and write true or false, then correct the false statements. And here is an example. Sheila is playing games. Is this true or false? Nice, it is false. Now can you correct this statement? What is Sheila doing in dialogue number 1? Yes, very nice. She's looking at a film poster. And here is your true or false exercise. Number 1, Sheila wants to go to the sports club. 2, Hanan wants to go to the puppet show. 3, the students are giving a show in Hanan's school. 4, Anna and Eric are watching a film. And 5, the clown is wearing a blue costume. Now pause and take 7 minutes to do it. Okay, time is up, guys. Let's do it together. Number 1. Sheila wants to go to the sports club. Is this true or false? Yes. Very good. It's false. And where is the mistake in this sentence? Very nice. The sports club. Now, where does Sheila want to go? Exactly. She wants to go to the cinema. Can you show us where it is in the dialogues? Yes. Very nice. Would you like to go to the sports club? She says, no. Let's go somewhere else. Very good. Number 2. Hanan wants to go to the puppet show. Yes. It's true. Okay, can you justify that? Yes, let's go to the puppet show. Very nice. Now, let's move on to number 3. The students are giving a show in Hanan's school. Yes. Okay, it's false. And where is the mistake in this sentence? Aha, very nice. In Hanan's school. So where are the students giving the show? Yes? Excellent. They are giving the show at a youth club, not in Hanan's school. Can someone show us where it is in this dialogue? Yes? Very good. Let's go to the puppet show. Sar says, where is that? And Hanan's answer was, at the youth club. And number 4, Anna and Eric are watching a film. Yes. Oh, yes, of course. And what are they watching? Very nice. They are watching a clown, not a film. Excellent. So this is false statements. Now, can someone show us where it is in the dialogues once again? Yes. Oh, I love the clown. Eric says, I love him too. So they're watching a clown, not a film. And let's move on to number 5. The clown is wearing a blue costume. Very nice. It's false too. And where is the mistake in this sentence? Yes, a blue costume. Now, do you remember what color the costume the clown is wearing? Excellent. He's wearing a colorful costume, not a blue costume. Can you show us where it is? Yes. Nice. He's wearing a colorful costume. Well done, everyone. Now let's have some practice. First, let's read this mini dialogue between Ayub and Salah. Let's go to the cinema to see Joker. Oh no, I don't like horror films. How about seeing an animation movie? Okay, that's better. Let's go. Pause the video and read the dialogue again. Now take a look at these pictures and make suggestions to go somewhere or do something. Look at the following examples. Dialogue 1 between you and Nora. And dialogue 2 between you and Omar. Now pause the video and do these 2 mini dialogues. You can do more if you want. Now off you go. Okay, have you finished? Let's see. Yes? Very nice. Let's go to the zoo. No, I'm afraid of animals. Right, how about going to the wheel? Okay, let's go. Very nice. And dialogue 2, yes? Yes, very good. Why don't we go to the concert? No, let's go somewhere else. Let's see Hassalfa's show then. Yes, I love one-man shows. Let's go. In this final task, I want you to take 1 minute and match the expressions with the right pictures. Off you go, 1 minute. Okay, number 1. Let's go to the cinema. Which picture? A, B, C, or D? Yes, very good. It's picture C. Number 2. How about going to the circus? Nice, it's picture D. Number 3. Would you like to go to the well? Exactly, it's picture B. And finally, why don't we go to the zoo? Of course, it's picture A. Excellent, everyone. So, what have we learned in this class today? We have learned 3 expressions: making a suggestion, accepting it, and refusing it. Now let's work together and fill in this chart. Let's go see a movie. Okay, let's go. No. How about going to the zoo? Yes, I love animals. No, let's go somewhere else. Why don't we go to the stadium? Yes, why not? No, let's not. Would you like to go out today? All right, let's go. Let's do it. Well, let's just stay home. So, to make a suggestion, we use these expressions. To accept a suggestion, we use these. And to refuse a suggestion, we use these. And as a homework, I want you to write 4 similar mini dialogues expressing, making a suggestion, accepting it, or refusing it with one of these people: your parents, your friends, your siblings, brothers or sisters, your teacher, or with anyone. Okay? Good luck. And that's it for today's class. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, take care.